To make a chamfer in wood, a special tool is usually used. But if you take a drill of a suitable diameter, clamp the twist drill in the screwdriver. Wow! Dangerously fatal almost to the fingers. Switch the screwdriver against the rotation of the drill, turn on and press, while the smoke went. It is so easy to make a beautiful chamfer without damaging the material and fingers and tools. Without special clamping device.
Stop this, what?